So recently, the US Department of Commerce announced that DJI, along with a whole slew of other companies, have been banned in the United States. From what it sounds like, US companies have been blacklisted from supplying parts to the drone manufacturer. It's also kind of unclear how this will impact the ability to find the drones in the United States and even buy them. DJI drones are incredible. I love them. I've owned 2 of them, and they've really allowed me to create shots that I normally would have no ability to create. It's kind of frustrating to see DJI be in the crosshairs of the United States government. I understand the concerns regarding to the ties to the Chinese government, especially regarding human rights violations. The part that sucks is the impacts of what that means for content creators like you and me. I'm curious to see what this will mean for the availability of DJI drones going forward, and if it will become very hard to find them in the future. I also don't know if it means we need to start looking for other drone options. Right now, the US market is not good, especially drones made here in the United States. There really aren't any options that come within distance of the power and the capabilities of DJI. At the end of the day, things are relatively unknown, but what I do know is something of this magnitude, barring DJI drones from operating with US businesses, whatever that means, is going to hurt content creators like you and me. It's gonna be harder possibly to find their drones. It's gonna be harder for US businesses to do business, to supply the parts needed to DJI to make their drones. So it is relatively unknown about what this is gonna mean for creatives. That's all I got for this episode of the vlog. If you're enjoying the content that I'm creating, please hit like, hit subscribe, leave a comment about how you feel about the impacts that losing a brand like DJI is going to have on content creators like yourself and like me. I'd love to hear how you feel about it. So yeah, we'll find a solution. We'll see what happens, but in the meantime, create, share, and sustain the life that you want. Get out there and make some awesome work.